What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, and today I am doing a makeup tutorial. It's back to school season, and I wanted to do something that is really simple, easy. Most of the stuff I used was from the drugstore, so it doesn't cost that much either. So I want to do something really simple, easy, something that everybody can do and that's school appropriate. So yeah, this is the look I came up with. It's very light, very dewy, and it's very simple, so that you guys can follow along very easily. This is kind of like kicking off my back to school series videos. I'm doing a lot of other back to school videos. They're going to be coming up soon, and yeah. So let me know what back to school videos you want me to film in the comment down below as well, and I will be checking the comments for sure. Yeah, so without further ado, let's just get into the video.
Alright, so I'm starting off with my eyebrows. I realize I've never really done my eyebrows on camera before, but yeah, so that's just me doing my eyebrows. If you want like an actual eyebrow tutorial, y'all can let me know. Yeah, now I'm just cleaning them up with some concealer. Alright, now I'm just doing a little bit of color correcting with my LA Girls Pro Color Corrector, the orange color corrector. Alright, now I'm going in with foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Coconut. Alright, now I'm going to conceal a little bit. I'm using this concealer from Maybelline New York. Alright, now I'm just blending out my concealer with my Real Techniques sponge. Now I'm just setting that with a little bit of, setting my concealer with a little bit of my Sacha Buttercup. I'm not going to bake because I'm going for a less matte look. So I'm just sweeping some of that where I put the concealer. Alright, so now we're going to go on to the eyes. I'm using my Morphe, I think that's 360 palette. And I'm just putting this like brown, neutral brown, like brown shade on my eyes. I'm putting it pretty much everywhere on my lid and in the crease and all that. Alright, now I'm going in with my Maybelline mascara. This is my all-time favorite mascara. And I'm doing natural lashes today. So I'm putting a good amount on. And now I'm setting my face with my Milani setting spray. Let it dry a little bit. Alright, now moving on to lips, I am using my Lancome Juicy Tubes lip gloss. I mean, that's probably the most expensive thing I've put in this video, but you don't really need that. Honestly, any lip gloss would do. So, yes. Alright, so I have to highlight. I'm going in with this Wet n Wild highlighter. It's like a pinky. Definitely is really nice. This is my first time using it, and it was bomb. I'm also putting it in my inner corner as an inner corner highlight. Alright, so this is the finished look. It's very simple, but I really like this. It's definitely my go-to in school, and it's really a get up and go. You can do it in less than 30 minutes. So I hope you liked it. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel and leave comments down below what other back to school videos you want me to film, or just videos in general. I will be checking the comments, and yeah, I guess I'll just see you guys in the next video. Bye. Going on my Sacha Buttercup setting powder and just